Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to apply a formula to an entire column in Google Sheets. This is an incredibly useful skill that will save you tons of time when working with large datasets, allowing you to perform calculations across hundreds or even thousands of rows instantly. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Google account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your Workspace or personal Google account where your spreadsheets are stored. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. Here you'll see all your recent files and documents. Simply click on the spreadsheet where you want to apply the formula to an entire column. This will open up your Google Sheets file and bring you into the editing view where you can start working with your data. Now, let's start by adding a formula. Click on the cell where you want your formula to begin. For this example, let's use a sum formula. Type equals sign followed by sum, and then input the range of the data you want to calculate. For instance, you might type equals sum, open parenthesis, A1 colon A5 close parenthesis. This creates your initial formula in that first cell. Once your formula is entered and you can see the result, you have two straightforward methods to apply this formula to the entire column. The first method is incredibly simple. Click on the cell containing your formula. You'll notice a small blue circle icon appears at the bottom right corner of the cell. This is called the fill handle. Simply click and hold this blue circle, then drag it down to cover all the rows in your column where you want the formula applied. As you drag, you'll see the formula being copied to each cell, automatically adjusting the cell references as it goes down. The second method is even faster and perfect for very long columns. Instead of dragging, position your cursor directly on that blue circle at the bottom right of the cell. When your cursor changes to a crosshair or plus sign, simply double-click. Google Sheets will automatically detect where your data ends and apply the formula to all relevant cells in that column instantly. This is particularly handy when you're working with datasets that have hundreds of rows. And that's it. You've successfully applied a formula to an entire column in Google Sheets using two different methods. Choose whichever method works best for your workflow and the size of your dataset. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.